2 cups of whole wheat flour, 1 cup of natural peanut butter, and 2 organic eggs. Grain from Greg's Beer Brewing, agave, natural peanut butter, eggs, and whole wheat flour. And I'll put them in the oven and I will tell you what it's like. This has oats. He made an oat stout. So this is the oats. So I'll be right back. Okay, I found it's easier if you get your hands in here and mix it all together like a meatloaf. The spoon's not going to work. So it's better to get in here like this. When you mix it really good, you might have to add a little more flour. Then it comes out to a big sticky ball like this. Now I'm going to put them in this mini muffin pans and make them like little discs. But then some of them will roll out, and I'll show you that. Okay, now look here. Zoom down here, Greg. We're doing people crackers. I found a cookie cutter that is a small gingerbread man. Instead of going out and buying anything, I found a people cracker for dogs. This is my grain. So anyway, there's some in the oven, and then some I'm going to be putting in. Patiently waiting. Hi, Freddie. Get back. Okay, get back. Kato, get back. 3 layers of biscuits. Can you wait? Huh? Are you excited? Are you excited? Are you excited? Hey, Freddie. Out of the oven and cooling. Everybody waiting for him. Everybody waiting for him. You want to try it? I have 3 here. Let's see how they did. Hey guys, look what I got. Brownie, look what I got. Let's go in the other room and see what's... Good boys. Everybody sit. 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 Wait. 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 Let's see. Here, Kato. Let's see if they like them. Well, I'm thinking. Did you like it? Did you like it? Yes. And Brownie's finished. Yay! Yummy! 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 Bye, baby. Bye, baby.